Have you ever wanted the power of Photoshop, but without the heavy price tag? Well, today, I'll show you 3 free tools that not only rival Photoshop but in some cases, they might even be better. Let's start with the first one, GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP has been around for decades and is completely free and open source. It offers almost everything Photoshop does: layers, masks, advanced brushes, filters, and plugins. If you're into photo retouching or graphic design, GIMP can handle it. The best part? There's a huge community creating tutorials, add-ons, and themes, so you'll never run out of ways to upgrade your workflow. Next, let's talk about Photopea. This one is a game changer. Unlike Photoshop, you don't need to download anything. Photopea runs directly in your browser, and it looks and feels almost identical to Photoshop. You can even open PSD files, edit them, and export in multiple formats. For students, casual designers, or anyone working on a low-end computer, Photopea is a lifesaver. No installation, no fees, and instant access anywhere. And finally, we have Krita. While it's primarily known as a digital painting app, Krita is incredibly powerful for anyone doing illustration, concept art, or animation. It has an intuitive interface, customizable brushes, and professional-grade features for artists. If you've ever felt Photoshop was too bloated for pure digital art, Krita gives you a cleaner, faster, and completely free alternative. So, whether you're editing photos, creating graphics, or painting masterpieces, you don't need to spend a single dollar. GIMP, Photopea, and Krita prove that professional quality design can be done for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your creative friends. And let me know in the comments, which of these tools are you going to try first? Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.